Hey guys, how's it going? I know that this has got nothing to do with food, but I wanted to just show you guys something that I just learned, and I thought I'd show you guys. If you got your light covers that are all fogged up like that, let's show you a real quick way that you can get them back looking like new. You ain't gonna see any of that. So all you need is that and that. So what I do is I'm going to spray a little bit of that WD-40 onto the rag, onto the paper towel. You see all the top there? Watch this. You just keep going. It's like it eats it off. Look at that. And the more you keep rubbing, the more it comes off. Isn't that crazy? And you can see that it's on. It comes right off there. I'm going to just flip it over to the other side. Give it another shot. Check it out. And there you have it. And that will work for either your back lights or your front lights. But it's amazing. It really actually works 100%. But man, hope you guys enjoyed this. Get going. Start cleaning. See you later. Bye.